Yeah. Find the roots of the equation 2x square minus 5x plus 3 is equal to 0 by using quadratic formula. So equation is given. So we have to find the roots. Roots means values of x. Values of x that make this equation equal to 0. That means if you substitute some value or some values in place of x, and if you simplify this, that should be equal to 0. Okay, so those x values are called as roots. Roots are also called as zeros. Sometimes they will ask find the zeros. Find the zeros or find the roots, both are same. Okay, so to find the roots or the x values, there are different methods, but they are asking we have to use only quadratic formula. By using only quadratic formula, we have to find the values of the x. Okay, so first to take the given equation 2x square minus 5x plus 3 is equal to 0. Call this as equation 1. Next step is what? Write the general standard form of quadratic equation. Now I will write standard form of a quadratic equation. So ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Call this as equation 2. So this is standard form of a quadratic equation. Now compare this equation 1 and equation 2 and find the values of a, b and c. See here, x square same. In place of a we have 2. So a is equal to 2. Next, x is same. In place of b we have 5, but not just 5. You have to consider the sign also, minus. So minus 5. b is equal to this minus 5. Okay, I will write here b is equal to minus 5. Next, in place of c we have 3. Plus same. In place of c we have 3. So c is equal to 3. Next to what we do, they are telling we have to use quadratic formula, right? Now I will write quadratic formula and I will solve that. So I will solve the remaining part back side of the board. Okay. So now I will write a formula. Cx is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. See, this is the quadratic formula. So in the back side of the board, what we got? We got these values. A is equal to 2 we got. Next to b is equal to minus 5. Next to c is equal to 3. Okay. So we have seen in the back side of the board we got this. Now this is the quadratic formula. What you have to do next, substitute the values into this formula. So x is equal to minus, this minus is fixed. In place of b what we have? Minus 5. So because of minus, so put bracket minus 5. So this minus in place of b minus 5 plus or minus the square root b square, in place of b minus 5. Because of this minus, put bracket the square minus 4. Okay na. So remember, because of this minus and here 4ac is there, here nothing is there, means 4ac or 4 into a into c, both are same. Because of multiplication and this minus sign, you put bracket. Otherwise you will get wrong answer sometimes. When a and c values are minus, negative, if you don't put bracket, you will get wrong answer. You may do some mistake. So because of that, because of this minus, put bracket. So bracket 4, here nothing is there, means into a, in place of a 2, again into c means 3. Okay, 2a means 2 into a, 2 into, in place of a what we have, 2. Next step, simplification. Here see, a bracket is there. Bracket means it's like a multiplication, into. So minus into minus plus, and this 5. Okay, so plus or minus square root minus 5 square. Minus 5 square means, so minus 5 square means minus 5 into minus 5. So first multiply the signs. Minus into minus plus 5 into 5 or 25. I will write 25. Plus 25 or just 25, both are same. There is no wrong. Next minus. Next open the bracket. Next multiplication. 4 2 is 8. 8 3 is 24. 2 into 2 4. Okay. Next step, x is equal to plus 5 or just 5, both are same. I will just write only 5. Next plus or minus square root. See, if there is minus sign here, then we have to multiply this minus and this minus, then you have to simplify. But here minus sign is not there. So if you remove the bracket also, no problem. You won't get wrong answer. So 25 minus 24, how much you get? 1. So whole divided by this 4. Next step, x is equal to 5 plus or minus square root of 1 is 1. So whole divided by this 4. Next step, x is equal to, now we have to split this plus or minus symbol. First you have to consider plus, next we have to consider minus. That I will show. First to write this 5. Next to consider only this plus. Next 1 no. Whole divided by this 4. Next put comma. Again x is equal to. So this time here we have considered plus. Now we have to consider minus. So first write this 5. So plus is done. Next minus 1. Whole divided by this 4. Okay. Next I am considering this. So x is equal to 5 plus 1 is 6. Whole divided by this 4. Next comma x is equal to, I am considering this 5 minus 1 is 4. Whole divided by this 4. Next x is equal to, here see 4 and 6 can be divided completely by 2. So 2 2s are 2 3s are, what we got? 3 by 2. 3 by 2 we got. Next comma x is equal to, here 4 4 cancels. So what is left? When I say cancel means here 1 is there. So x is equal to 1. Okay. See, x is equal to 3 by 2. X is equal to 1. So this is the answer. What was the question? Find the roots. Root means values of x. So see, this is quadratic equation. Quadratic means there will be x square in the equation. That means quadratic equation will always have two roots. That means two x values. So we got two x values. This is one value, this is another value. So x is equal to 3 by 2, x is equal to 1. These are the these two are the answers. This is the required answer. Yeah, that's all. We solved the problem. Yeah. Thank you. Click on subscribe.